don't have on a wig. No, I don't have on a wig or a weave today. I just got my ghetto braids, my jailbirds, my straight backs. Okay, so let's get to the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video, I need to put my glasses on. But the purpose of this video is I have this old unit, right? Well, actually, the unit is very old. This is actually my hair that I had purchased from Nirvana Noir back in, I can't remember if it was 20, I don't know. This hair is over 10 years old, okay? It's probably 15 years old. I have to go back and check. And this is the hair, this was the, she called this particular hair, this blend was called Cali. Okay, I remember that because this is my favorite hair. So this was Cali, right? Look how bouncy that is after 10 plus years. Okay, and I have worn the hell out of this hair. When I tell you I have worn the hell out of this hair, I have worn the hell out of this hair. So this hair is over 10 years old, and I've worn it as a sew-in. I've worn it as a sew-in multiple times before I decided to make this into a unit. Excuse me, guys, I have a cold. But I made this into a unit, I can't remember how many years ago. But the frontal is one of the frontals. It's from the batch of frontals that she made, her first batch of frontals. So this was like, you know, these was the very first frontal she made. And it is when I said it is teeny, there is maybe an inch of hair left on this frontal. Let me show you. So I'm trying to figure out how to wear it, but I'm gonna wear it until there is no hair left in the frontal, okay? But look, this is how much frontal I got left. This is actually like an inch. Look at that. Look at that little bit of parting space. The weft actually starts right here. So what I did was I used some hair color spray, this titanium black, and I sprayed right up in here just to give it a little more fullness. You still can see the weft a little bit, but the more that I comb that color spray in, the better it's gonna cover, because I had sprayed it and I didn't comb the spray out. But see, it looks better now, right? Okay, so I'm gonna put this wig on with this little teeny bit. I mean, I literally have this much lace, but I'm gonna rock this wig. I don't care. I'm not retiring this wig. I cannot find a frontal to blend with this Cali hair. So the hair that's in the frontal is the same blend as Cali, which was a very unique, one-of-a-kind blend that she had at that time. So I can't find it anymore. So yeah. All right, so I'm gonna put this bad boy on. So I'm not putting on a wig cap because should I put on a wig cap? I'll put on a wig cap. Ah, fuck it. Shit. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Okay. So y'all can see I got alright, I got a cap on. It's cold outside anyway. Shit. Might as well have more protection for my head. So, alright, I'm gonna put this bad boy on. This wig is one of the oldest. This is the oldest unit I have. This is it. So yeah, this thing is so old, but I swear the hair is so pretty. I can't give it up, and I'm not gonna give it up. I'm not giving this up. No. All right, so let me adjust my unit here. All right. So, let's see. Still can see it a little bit. Where's that? Spray. Actually, I think I'm gonna take a little bit of this, which is hair fibers. And while I can see it, before I put it all the way on my head. Let's go. Okay. So I'm gonna comb that in. So this is a little hack for y'all wigs. Because I tell you what, I can't give this up. I know it ain't. Look at that little teeny bit of leaf. That's crazy. I can't give her up. I'm sorry. I'm gonna make it work. Fuck that. I paid a lot of money for this hair, and I have gotten my money's worth over and over and over again. And here it is, 2024, and I'm still getting my money's worth out of this hair. But I have to. But realistically, guys, I have to find another frontal so that I can redo this wig. But I'm just having a problem with finding the hair to match. You know, I don't want to just use any kind of frontal. You know, I want to use a frontal that actually has the same type of hair. So, okay, she got buckled up right there. All right, so let's see what we got. Okay. Alright, so like I said, I don't have much parting space. So make it do what it tried to do. You can see I have it, it's not adhered down or anything, and that's okay. This ain't really in the middle. Move the junk over there a little bit. Let down. Okay. I need another comb. A big comb. Okay, so I had to go get me a comb. Now I don't have, like I said, there's not a lot of wefts. I mean, there's not a lot of lace here. This is mostly hair wefts. Hair wefts all the way up to here. Okay. I have no oil sheen, no type of oil at all in this hair. This is the natural luster of this hair after 10 years of washing, coloring, wearing, sweating, working out. Look at the luster on this hair. That's crazy. That's why I don't want to put any type of frontal on this unit, because it has to be the same luster as this hair, and it has to be, you know, bouncy. Look. That's crazy. That's crazy. That is crazy. Oh, I wish Nirvana knew what get that raw hair back. Oh, I miss it. I mean, I'm gonna be honest with you. I like this hair. This hair reminds me of back in the day. It's hard to find this quality anymore. You know, it really is. It's hard to find this quality of hair. God. but this is it. I mean, I haven't done anything to adhere it or anything. I just put it on. You saw that. So you know what, I'm gonna leave it just like this for today. So let me turn around to the back so y'all can see, because it's just, you know, I just want to wear it for today. So I'm not gonna adhere it, or I mean, I guess I could spray a little hairspray. I could. I don't know. It looks fine. I don't know. It feels fine. It don't feel like it's gonna come off. I mean, it fits pretty good. So I'll let you see the back. See? Can you see? Still a good length. You know, it's not old and long. It hits boob. So yeah. So I wanted to come on camera and show you guys this unit that I've had for over 10 years. If I can find a clip from an old video, I'll insert that into this video. But I wanted to show you guys this because I just want to show an example from years later. I mean, a lot of people do reviews on hair, and you know, the reviews are, you know, a month, a couple of months, something like that. Bitch, this is over 10, maybe 15 years. Now, who got that stance on YouTube? Like this video, please. This is a real review, okay? I still got this hair from 10, 15 years ago. Please like this video, okay? Like this video. And I just wanted to show you that when you spend your money, it might seem like a lot to spend up front. And Nirvana Noah did not send me this hair. I paid for this hair, okay? And I did a review, an honest review on this hair, and I spent my own money for this hair. When you spend it and invest in your hair like this, you basically, you're gonna get a return on your investment. This hair, I can't remember how much I paid for this hair. $600, something like that. Maybe $600-700 for this hair. Maybe not even that much. I don't know, because I did buy the frontal, so it probably was about $600. Now, if I could just divide that $600 into the days that I've worn this hair, I got it for free. I got it for free. I got this hair for free. It's still rocking. Look at this. Movement, bounce, luster. It curls with ease. It is so hard to find this hair. Even the hair that I recently purchased from Jace Beauty can't touch this hair. It just can't. It can't. It cannot touch it. This hair don't shed. I'm talking about, this is great quality. I don't know if this quality is, you know, it's hard to find a good wefter. You know, the actual quality of the hair is not what it used to be. So, you know, for those ladies who have invested money in hair from maybe 10 years ago, go back and grab that hair, okay? Make a wig out of it so that you can throw your hair on. I mean, I know it's gonna be hard to find maybe a closure or a frontal, but don't just let that hair just sit in the bag. Don't let that hair just sit in your hair box or wherever you store your hair. I'm telling you, make a unit out of it. Look at this. Look at this. This be any freaking wig companies that they're offering right now units. I know this unit right here outshines them, and this unit is old as hell. So I'm just telling you, ladies, go back into your hair storage. If you got some good hair, turn it into a unit. Turn it into a unit. You spend a lot of money on that hair. Look at this. I think I still have some of my old Jace Beauty hair in my storage box. I got to go back and look. But this hair, she the cream of the crop. I'm sorry. This is it. Okay. Like this video, please. Like this, because this is a review unlike any review out there. This is a review and an update from 10 plus years ago, okay? Yeah, I pulled her out, and I had her in my closet, and I still throws her on from time to time. Okay, we'll talk about that type of review. All right, guys, I will talk to you on the next one. Hope everybody's doing well. Have a blessed day, and like I said, go back and check your hair box. Go back and check your hair box, because you might have some gems up in there from years and years ago that you might have forgot about. But honey, I ain't gonna never forget about this Cali unit. Okay, guys, like this video, share this video, tag Nirvana Noor so she can see, how her hair is still holding up. And I will see you guys on the next one. Take care.